This is the Gear Ratio Speed Calculator final drive, which calculates your vehicle's speed based on engine RPM, gear ratios, and tire size. Let's go through each input field. First, select your units from the drop-down menu. You can choose miles per hour or kilometers per hour. For this demonstration, I'm using miles per hour. Next, enter your engine RPM, then input your transmission gear ratio. After that, enter your final drive ratio. Finally, input your tire diameter in inches. Now for a worked example. I'll input 10 for engine RPM, 10 for transmission gear ratio, 10 for final drive ratio, and 10 inches for tire diameter. After clicking Calculate Speed, here are our results. The vehicle speed is 0.0 mph. This extremely low speed makes sense given our very low RPM and high gear ratios. The overall gear ratio is 100:1, which is the product of our transmission and final drive ratios. The tire circumference is 31.4 inches, calculated from our 10-inch diameter. This calculator helps engineers verify drivetrain configurations before implementation. Find the link in the description below.